Friends, let me introduce myself to you. I am Pankaj Sampath, living in Pune. I am a realtor by profession, but also I have another very strong profession, that is software development, web designing and web development, and internet SEO development, search engine optimization. See, I have mastered over the several years, I have mastered lots of gadgets, tools, techniques, which when you integrate them, including social media, you will be able to develop your organization in amazing ways to reach out to the masses and billions of people that are coming onto the net daily for various activities. How we are going to achieve this organization development, whether you are an institution, whether you are an individual proprietary business, a private limited company or a public limited company or a government organization or a school, college, whatever activities you are doing, you need to reach out to the people and make sure that people understand what you have to offer and the value that you are giving to them, and they get attracted to you to visit your website and search for it and find the information they need in a meaningful way, in an interesting way and an engaging way, so that they come again and again repeatedly. What happens when you do this or when you accomplish this? Well, you get huge traffic and you can measure this traffic, and that adds value to your website. Your website is your virtual office. It's an office that is interacting 24/7 to the people in different parts, in different time zones, and gaining information about your activities, knowing about your presence, and thereby the biggest final goal, achieving business, wealth creation through your offerings. Now, this is not as simple as it sounds. It is a combination and integration of several various other techniques, technologies which are available through Web 2 tools, and now of course Web 3 tools, which we will show in this series. I will share it with you as how you can use these in an integrated fashion and gain your presence on the internet every hour, every second. I have devoted lots of my time in these last 20 years to do research and come to this level to be able to share these videos with you. And in this intention of mine, I have made a website which is a network called Simplicity.tv, spelled as SIMPLYCITY. City is CITY, Simply is SIMPLY. So it is Simplicity, SIMPLYCITY.tv, because it's like a television channel. I'll tell you more about it later on. It primarily, essentially uses videos, because videos is the biggest evolution and revolution on the internet in our current time, in our present time. All boring text alphabets are getting replaced by videos, and you will see how we will be able to interact via videos, via live web conferences, webcast seminars, like as if people have flown down to a city to gather at a meeting place in a 5-star hotel or in a venue. You don't need to do all this. Through these series of talks that I will be presenting to you, I will be able to interact with you, you will be able to interact with me in a very easy manner, in a very engaging manner, interactively I'm saying, so that we can reach our goal of exchanging information and building your web presence using search engine optimization techniques, using RSS, real simple syndication techniques, and many other techniques which I'm going to talk about. And you will find all these videos which I'm covering now as embedded in the pages of Simplicity. So I hope you enjoy interacting with me, and you can always contact me on my cell number, which is 9370608156. If you are out of India, you have to add 91 before it, so 91 then 9370608156, or you can email me on the email address given below, or you can always contact me through my website, internet website called Simplicity.tv. Thank you very much. I am Pankaj Sampath from Simplicity, and I will love to interact with you and help you all build your organizations using the amazing power of internet technology, which is at the fingertips of your laptop. Hope to see you very soon again. Bye bye.